Today we will discuss with you how an MRI is performed. First of all, the things you see on the screen. This is the coronal view, this is the sagittal image, and this is the axial image. So now we will do the planning for the coronal view. The planning for the coronal view will be based on the sagittal and axial images following the anatomical position. We are now setting up the coronal planning. If I tell you about the parameters here, there are 30 slices, a distance factor of 20, and it is set to 350. Here, there is a pathology at 1 o'clock. Now, for their planning, the axial planning will be based on the coronal and sagittal images, with 60 applied on top. For their planning, the sagittal planning will be based on the coronal and axial images. Following the anatomical position, we are setting up the planning, and once the contrast is ready, we will administer the contrast. There will be an arterial phase, a venous phase, and a 1 o'clock delayed phase.